Alrighty, hey everyone, I'm Harshil. I'm the founder of Dream Studios, where we work with founders to help them build MVPs. And today's video is gonna be about Orchid. Just for context, Orchid is a product by Kevin Liu, which is a YC back company. They have raised from YC, and I saw this post that I guess a lot of you might have seen it. It just got launched, and boom, they went viral. And it is meant to be a place where you can create really banger websites. There was something that they showed in their showcase, which was like a Pokemon card shop and a lot of high-end user interface focused products. Uh, they also have some galleries here, Clay and Kin. If I Their USP, as they've stated, is focusing on the UI side, and what I think really makes them different, as per their promise again, is that they are genuinely able to build a UI which is not another AI builded UI. It looks like someone has put in effort into it and put in real time into it. First things, I just wanted to give it a try, put out public review alongside you guys. So I'm gonna be literally trying it afresh. I have no previous usage of this, and everything is gonna be first fresh. So I want to make this video in three ways. I will use this product for three formats. Firstly, I'll give it a prompt about my company and see what it can make. Secondly, I will ask it to create a clone of my company website. And thirdly, I will give it a full blown like breakdown of my company, what we do, what is our color scheme, and see is it able to make something that is really better than a website. Just for context, the website that we actively have is a recent revamp which we used using a template. So shout out to Manu Paji. We built it using that because our team was mostly focused on building products. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, I'm gonna get started with I guess just building a website. I'll say, hey, Orchid, I'm a founder of Dream Studios. Uh, we are basically a MVP studio where we help founders build MVPs and launch them in just 5 weeks. Our color scheme is currently green and white, and our services include landing revamps, building a MVP for $3,500, and an end-to-end custom solution package for $8,000, mostly focused on the web app side of things. And we have worked with founders out of India, US, Dubai. Yep. So basis this input, create a website for our software agency. Create it high quality, minimalistic. The logo should be the D letter with some cool design and a green theme. Try to go for a emerald, EMARLD tailwind color. Cool. So it has. I have given in the prompt. I mean, I will just dream launch studios. We I am the founder of Dream Studios, founder US. Boom, let's hit it. It has a pretty neater UI compared to Level. That's something I've realized. I has a chat GPT interface first impressions. This is pretty standard. You can see a app, a code, analytics kind of flow. I like how they have a designing your website kind of flow, thinking to the same stuff, and it will be working on this. So let's wait for it. Tuning in typography, balancing out contrast. Let's see how it is working through the code. Inside the SLC folder, I think it has already gotten started on some stuff. Oh, interesting. They have already focused on the preview. Let's see. I think they are editing files. I can actually see it. Making global CSS. Okay, they have color breakdown. How have they formatted components? Okay. Oh, interesting. They have made blocks. So I like how they have broken down components. I'm not sure how CTAs have multiple CTAs, but let's see. I mean, where are they planning to go with this? Working through the website, they have a pretty neat theme in my opinion. Creating files actively, what are they creating right now. So they're editing CTAs. My next step is gonna be, let's actually do it side by side maybe. After this, let's do the clone and the input format a bit parallel. Let's see where are they going with this. Your website will appear. Huh. Whoa, what did it do? I'm not sure what exactly did they plan to do, but they basically have, I think, made uh, yeah, I honestly don't know what have they, even done. That's literally a template. I'm not sure what preview is this. They just literally applied the ML theme onto the code base. The page.tsx has literally the Next.js content. It is not updated at all, so it's pretty weird from what they promised. But see, let's try. I guess clone. What is that app? I'll make it clone. So I'll give it our website URL, which is Streamlabs Studio. So I've given it the URL. We have some animations, but overall a simpler layout, not like super 3D or anything. Bada boom, give it in, and I guess it's just editing, so we can give it a chance. And let's actually go at it. Let's go to perplexity, and what I'll do is make a in-depth PRD of this website. I'll just drop in my website link. So I'll just take a website, I'll give it in. Uh, 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 uh. Oh, so they were able to get it, but this is most probably the meta image, or they are taking screenshot of section and trying to recreate it. I mean, this seems to be stuck, so I don't know what exactly is happening here. Is it really writing code? Because the component seems to be full. Yeah, I can't see anything on the page rather than the Next.js template. Please fix this and give me the Dream Launch landing page that I requested for. Orchid is thinking, it should think, probably. Coming back to this, orchids.app. Cool, so now we have the PRD. What I'll do is remove the extra links to avoid. Now, cool. Basis this PRD, make a landing page of this in your default pink and slight orchid color, so we can see a variation. Cool, so let's see where does it go. Basis, this PRD. Third version is also on the go. The first version, I see the issue. You're currently having Next.js template on your home page. Let me create a complete remote. Okay, I think they found the error. It is recreating files. This one went into a issue. I'm not sure why exactly. At least this has started. Oh, they have a pretty neat way of showing. Something I like right now here is key when I work with Lovable and Bolt, they don't have this need of a showcase of ChatGPT prompts that I put in. So this is a plus point I would give them definitely here. And okay, this is stuck. This is rewriting the components. It is creating footer. So let's say what is it writing the. Okay, at least it's following my typography of having Emerald and Dreamlaunch Studios. So I am now positive towards what it should be creating. This is a website will appear here. Interesting. Let's see what is appearing. Designing a website. Okay, it's just creating two files. This got stuck. It encountered a detail. This endpoint's maximum length is 200. Probably they ended it up into a rate limiting issue, which is not good because I just gave it a landing page which has no animations as such. It took a screenshot of the whole thing that I could catch from here, but I'm not sure why is it. I mean, it should be coding something because it's like going through these scenes. What is it creating now? Okay, photo is being created in this side. On this side, they're still writing. So I feel it is a bit slower than Bolt and Lovable, but I understand that when they're going for UI, they might be creating a lot more files and code and Tailwind. So obviously, it's one of those like good things take time thing, but the end goal is like if good things should be visible to me. Yeah, I'm not sure it's rendering a white screen. Oh, okay. This was nice. The preview I saw at least. Can I close this error? Orchid is done. Boom. That's interesting because I saw the same logo previously as well. I don't know how they picked it up. And this is pretty similar. I was actually seeing a video by someone. This is the logo of Eternity, just for context guys. It's an amazing library by Manu Paji, the same person who we took. Oh wait, they I think they have taken component. This is nice. Trusted by following Pinker, and they have a gradient ongoing. They have a bento as well, which I don't think someone any component library or something I've seen it make. Further, they have a testimonial, and it's interesting because I saw something very similar on that. Okay, basis PRD it has created pricing, but it does not match the original way we had. 4 week process is nice, launch process is nice. They have this gradients ahead of the game, which is I think I'll give it to them. Schedule a consultation, it should take us somewhere, which I guess the link is not there. So heavily I would say inspired from Eternity library. Even the logo you can see here is of Eternity. Uh, but neater than most what Lovable could build. I mean, this just got stuck, and this is just in the writing phase, so I don't know how long it will take. On this part, they have the globe component, which is from Eternity. They have these, which I guess they could built it out themselves. Testimonial is nice. I like how they have this fading gradient, although like it doesn't blend back. This doesn't blend into the website. Pricing section I feel is like a too much of a contrast because we are following a orchid theme, and suddenly like the pricing section has a very different theme. This is fine. I mean, this is neat, but again they went back into the blue color scheme, so I'm not sure. I gave no input of going for a blue color scheme, but they went for it. This is just creating components. I don't know at this point what. Okay, just it is creating a footer since. Okay, footer has on the bottom section. This got stuck. I don't think complete process. I don't expect much here with the whole cloning flow. Let's see the code at least. Page.ts6 has components. I don't like. I mean, I am a follower of what is that called, kebab casing. So I like that they have kebab casing, but I'm not sure if there is a need for making such large name component naming conventions. But overall, I think they have a good routing structure where they have like everything distributed. So quickly going through their components, let me close everything up. Okay, Component has blocks and UI. UI, I'm assuming most probably is shared CN. Yeah, shared CN based and everything, so that is neater. Blocks has multiple files. One file is 48 lines and this is 47. So I think this is literally the same file. If I may say, there might be some micro tailwind difference, but I don't see any. And this is also 47 lines. So we have three files which are all 47 48 line. This is bigger, so it might be different, but I'm not sure why do we have these three files literally with some micro changes. We could have like a class name or some kind of method. What do we call that? Props. Yeah, props, where we have like booleans or something to handle this. Other than this, bento again has multiple bento grids. I am still not sure why they have every component written out multiple times. I like the UI, but now that I'm going through the code base, I am not confident on if I will go for Orchids, because I think I'll be spending a lot of time just to figure out okay what file is used and just deleting other files. I mean, I can probably tell it to cursor, but they might also miss out on some files, and a lot of code here just feels maybe like dead weight, because everything has like, see, feature section has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. Feature section has 25 files. I guess they have standardized it for vibe coders that okay, we have these multiple files and that's how like they are potentially creating these UIs. Like they have created some very good blocks, and they are using these blocks using telling AI to use one of these blocks following the color scheme. But again, like the UI, don't like the approach a bit. Pricing has again, I guess, 10 plus files. This is still creating it. Completed landing page. Yeah, let's see. I'm not sure if it is completed. Perfect. I have now created a professional template. Oh, nice. So finally we have this created by them. Like the animation, banger animation, love it. Our services, they have the pricing nailed down. Process has a flow going on, which is neat. Launch your MVP. Okay, basis the single prompt I gave, I think it's pretty neat, because I know for a fact that if I gave the same prompt to other AI builders from the UI side, the UI won't be good. Like it is better. It's not banger, but it's better than what basis this limited prompt someone might create. Cloning, yeah, I'm not happy with cloning. I'm not sure what happened to the whole cloning process. They have this line running throughout the page, which is very weird. Yeah, Orchid team, this is not good, man. You really need to work through this. I don't mean it in a hate sense. I saw your video and I was like, boom, let's try it, and work towards making a product and like really talking about you guys. But this is neat. This is neat. Just the excessive components are there. So yeah, I mean, I guess we have a review, first impressions. Love what they are building. I think because they just released, so they have a long journey ahead. So maybe 1 month down the line, this will be a completely different story. But as of now, from the code side of things, I'm not entirely happy from them, because like again, hero has multiple heroes, testimonial has multiple testimonials. So things like that are here. But other than that, yeah, it's a cool tool that has come out of IC. They have a nice theme. They are trying to build something good. You can try it out and would love to know your thoughts. I'll just drop Orchids link in the comment, and they are distributing free credits, so I'll actually put the link with free credits and good stuff.